The sea rewards patience and skill. From net to boat, each fish matters. In Kerala, fishing is a way of life.
Every tool must be ready.
നമുക്ക് ഈ ഭാഗത്തേക്ക് വലയിടാം.
അതെ, അവിടെ ഒഴുക്ക് കൂടുതലാണ്.
ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് ചെയ്യണം.
And now, the catch of the day begins. Every fish finds its place. The line never stops.
Meninte mutukellil kodikittanam.
Sari chetta.
Years of experience guide every cut.
This is where food meets people.
Freshness is visible.
ഇതെത്രയാണ്?
200 രൂപ.
സിമ്പിൾ, ആനസ്റ്റ്.
Time does the rest.
This is the moment.
Perfect timing matters.
Every bite carries a journey. Adipoli. Taste tells the story. In Kerala, fishing is a way of life. Preparation is everything before the first cast.
Every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a push from shore.
Precision and patience guide every move. The open sea awaits.
Every tool must be ready.
നമുക്ക് ഈ ഭാഗത്തേക്ക് വലയിടാം.
അതെ, അവിടെ ഒഴുക്ക് കൂടുതലാണ്.
ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് ചെയ്യണം.
And now, the catch of the day begins. Into the deep they cast, hoping for the day's bounty. Every pull counts towards survival and sustenance. The sea rewards patience and skill. From net to boat, each fish matters.
Onnu, Randu, Monu, Nalu. Careful hands ensure quality reaches the market.
Teamwork turns effort into success. The reward of the sea is finally in their hands. The journey continues from sea to village.
The sea gives, now the land receives.
Freshness depends on speed. Every fish finds its place.
Pattu, 10.
Nothing moves forward without being counted.
Quality is judged in seconds.
Only the best moves on.
Cold locks in quality.
Now the factory waits. Freshness leaves no room for error. Mama transcription. Human strength powers the supply chain. The journey demands stability.
ട്രാൻസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ. സമയം നീങ്ങാൻ തുടങ്ങുന്നു.
From the shore, inland it goes.
Tradition meets industry. A factory frozen in time. Now the processing begins. Speed protects freshness.
അവിടെ വെക്ക്.
ഇത് നല്ല മീനാണല്ലോ. അതെ, നല്ല ഫ്രഷ് സാധനം. ദ കാച്ച് മീറ്റ്സ് ഇൻസ്പെക്ഷൻ.
ട്രാൻസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ. മീനിന്റെ കണ്ണുകളും ചെതുമ്പലും ഉറപ്പും പരിശോധിക്കുന്നു. മികച്ചത് മാത്രം മുന്നോട്ട് നീങ്ങുന്നു.
Cleanliness starts the transformation. Every detail matters. Every detail matters. The line never stops.
Moisture is controlled.
Now the real work begins. Here, skill replaces machines.
మేనింత ముతుకెళ్ళిల్ కోడికిత్తనం.
സറി ചെത്ത.
Years of experience guide every cut.
Nothing unwanted makes it through.
Clean again before moving forward. Consistency is controlled by hand.
Premium grade A, large. Every grade has its destination.
Temperature preserves quality.
Malayalam calls out.
The next step seals the work.
തൂക്കം ശരിയാണ്. Weight is correct.
Every pack starts with precision. Cold locks in freshness.
Packed to travel. Simple materials, trusted methods.
Traceability, the old school way.
Time slows down here.
Freshness is guarded constantly. The journey continues. Short distances matter. Every stop counts. Freshness hits the road.
Trust is built face to face. This is where food meets people.
Freshness is visible.
ഇത് എത്രയാണ്?
200 രൂപ.
സിമ്പിൾ, ആനസ്റ്റ്.
Now it's personal. Speaking Malayalam, the journey ends at home. Freshness shows in every cut.
Flare, Bandi, Dalasya. Flavor starts here. Time does the rest.
This is the moment. Perfect timing matters.
From sea to table. Food brings people together. This is why it matters.
Adipoli. Taste tells the story. Manjericha.
Nalla manam.
Female narrator. Every bite carries a journey.
And this is how traditional systems bring fish from the sea to the family table.
The day comes full circle.
Simple systems feed millions.
Subscribe for more real food journeys, start to finish.